Welcome to this MSSC Quick Tech. Today we'll be working with the SmartJet Duo touchscreen controller featuring the satin black anodized aluminum body. In this video, we'll walk through how to add a CSV file to the unit for use in a template that requires a database. Check these preliminary items. Before starting, please click the setting icon on the home screen ribbon. Please make sure that Remote Desktop is enabled on the controller by clicking the gear icon to reveal the advanced settings. In advanced settings, the remote setting needs to be blue enable. The controller is connected to your PC using an Ethernet cable on the same network. Please note this exact account on your controller along with the IP address. Spacing and characters are important to getting this to work. This will be similar to yours but may have differences. Please note your information exactly as it appears on your controller. On your PC, open the Remote Desktop Connection tool that is built into the Windows operating system. This process is the same for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. To do this, hold down the Windows key and press the R key to open the Run window. Once the Run window is open, type MSTSC and click OK to proceed. After clicking OK, the Remote Desktop Connection window will open. Click Show Options to display the additional fields required to establish the connection. In the Computer field, enter the IP address you noted earlier for the controller. Next, click in the Username field and enter the account information exactly as provided. Please ensure that all characters, spacing, and capitalization are correct, as this is critical for a successful remote connection. Side note, if your account information includes the trademark symbol, it can be entered by holding the Alt key and typing 0174 on the numeric keypad. If you would like to save your connection settings, click Save and then click Connect. You will be prompted for a password, however there is no password needed for this connection, so leave the field blank and click OK. Then, the computer will establish the remote link to the controller. Now let's access the designer on the controller and import the CSV file into our template as a database. Once the designer opens, click the page icon in the ribbon and create a new template. If you already have an existing template, open that template and follow the same steps. To add the database to the controller, first insert the USB flash drive containing your CSV file into the USB port on the controller. Next, click the three dots in the Designer ribbon to open the More menu, and from the pop-up menu, select File Manager. In the File Manager window, locate the drop-down menu in the upper left corner labeled File, and change it to Database. Your CSV file on the USB drive should now appear in the window on the right. Select the CSV file, then click the left-pointing arrow to copy the file into the controller's local memory. If you receive a warning that the file already exists, proceed with replacing the file. This is a known software behavior. Click Yes to replace the file, and then click OK once the copy process is complete. You may now close the File Manager window. Now let's add this CSV to our template. Click the pencil and ruler icon, then select Database. Click on the template to place the database object. Then, load the database by clicking here. When prompted, select CSV as the database type, then click Next. In the Text Connection window, click the three dots to browse for the file path. Select your CSV file from the list, then click Open. Choose whether you want to use the first row of the CSV as headers. Clicking Next will display a preview of the data. Click Finish to load the fields into the source window. From here, highlight the desired fields and click the right-pointing blue arrow to move them into the destination window. By default, the date and time fields are automatically added. In this example, we removed those fields, leaving only the data imported from the CSV file. Click OK to proceed. You will now see the information from the CSV file populated directly into your template. That's it. Now you know how to import a CSV file for a database into the Black Satin Duo controller. We hope you find this helpful. Happy printing! From all of us at MSSC.